Hi guys, and welcome back to Maddie Does Life. If you're an old subscriber, come on back to the party. Ooh, did I just crap my cheese on that? I'm getting old. I'm not that old. um, and if you're a new one and you like just laughing at silliness, stay, man. Subscribe. It's free. $000. I know you probably have enough people to subscribe to, but you know, what's one more? What's one more, guys? I ain't gonna kill you with updates like them other people. I got a full-time job. It's cool. You're gonna be like, hey, she's alive. That's how it'll be. So it's cool. Just subscribe, guys. Come back through. Yeah, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys what I got in it's Feelunique. I nearly forgot the name of the box there. It's the Feelunique beauty kit. I think it's usually $12.95. You get to choose 5 products, and they usually either deluxe sample sizes of things, which wouldn't sound like the best options, but sometimes they have like really good options for things that you're like, okay, I would try this, but I don't you just don't want to spend the money for the full size. So you're like, you know what, yes, it's you buying like a sample size, but actually it saves you money sometimes in the long run. Sometimes, depending on what you buy. Don't get fooled by them 5 mil. So it has like on the website, it has like, it'll have all the different bits and you just choose what you want. What you need to look at is the size and the amount. You need to look at the amount of what is in there. Don't get fooled by the pictures, because usually the full size pictures that they show you. Yeah, they usually show you the full size pictures. So don't get fooled by that. Look at the actual description and then just make sure, you know, it's matching up with what you want to have. So what I got was a travel size Sigma brush. It's a Sigma. It's one of the fine liner brushes, and I've always wanted to try a Sigma brush, so you know, I was like, let me get this. It's a E05. It's like a super fine line one, and I've been trying to get into more, and I really want to try doing some more like dramatic looks. And every time I'm trying to do stuff, I'm like, I don't have the right brush. So I'm hoping. So this seems, yeah, and it's nice and stiff. So this would be the right kind of brush for the looks I want to do. So I'm looking forward. Let me not. How am I gonna ruin the bristles already? Okay, we'll put it on. But yeah, so I'm looking forward to trying that. That's gonna be brilliant. Brilliant, guys. You're gonna be like, who is she with her graphic eyeliner? And I'm gonna be like, yeah, she always was able to do this. So yeah, so that's worth it. I think I'll put up the prices of how much it's actually worth, but I think it usually came in a set, so they've kind of like divvied it up, possibly because they weren't selling individually. And they also had the small angle brush as well. So, and this has been on the website for quite some time, so wow. I'm sorry, baby, I didn't mean to throw you like that. Anyway, I don't know why I was trying to put it back in the box. I ain't gonna use this box. Bye. So yeah, looking forward to using that. It also comes in this very cute little handy bag. I'll show you that a bit more when I get through the rest of the stuff. So we've got this When Creamy Mud pore clarifying and minimizing mask for deep cleansing and tightening of pores, and it has pure Amazonia clay, natural peppermint essential oil, and it's 30 mils, which is bigger than the usual sizes on the in the Feelunique kits. But actually, looking at the website, this is a full size. This is full size, guys. Full size. So and the full size is way more than the cost of the box, the bag, and the shipping. So we'll talk about the shipping in a minute. But yeah, way worth it. Way worth it. So I'm looking forward to trying this. I'm not usually that oily, but it might be nice to do like some nice mask, and it's more of a creamy mud one. So, and even for like, I probably won't do it super often because they can be quite drying for dry skin, because I have dry skin already. So I won't do it too often, but I might just do it a bit on my nose, the more oily areas for me. So yeah, great value. I'd recommend, fully recommend this one, guys. Get on it. So yeah, it's the When Beauty Creamy Mud, and I think it's a Korean brand. Yeah, it's by JC People Company Limited, and it's Republic of Korea, and it's made in Korea. When Beauty. So yeah, give it a try. They also had like some like nice scrubs, like face scrubs. I've got enough of those, so I'm giving it a pause. I still got the Huda Beauty mini Yo Glow enzyme scrub, and I've still got like a Murad one that's like a massive full size. So I've got enough scrubs for now. The next thing that I got was another reason I didn't get the scrub is because they had the Paula's Choice skin perfecting liquid exfoliant, which is the 2% BHA salicylic acid toner, and this one's another 30ml one. It isn't a full size, but actually this size on the website is worth £10. So looking forward to that. So, you know, if it's still there, grab it, guys, grab it. So yeah, and every month they kind of update and add some new stuff, but most times they just leave stuff on there until it's gone. So unfortunately I missed the gel eye cream version of this, which is what I really was actually going for, which was the gel cream. But then I was like, I still have 2 eye creams that I haven't finished, so I'm glad I missed that. The thing I was really looking forward to trying is a little mini, look how cute it is. It's a little mini Huda Beauty liquid matte one. Look how it's a little, look how little tiny it is. So yeah, this is it's the shade Wifey, and this one is 1.9 mils, and once you open it, it lasts for 12 months. But this is actually the same size as, if you look at all the like liquid matte mini kits that are like £29 and they only got 4, this is like the size of one of them. So amazing value. Again, $12.95 for all of this. So yeah, so then this way you get to try the formula, you get to try a shade and see if it suits you. It's, I think, Wifey, it's meant to be like a really pale shade, so your girl will try it. I just want to try some liquid because I really like their demi matte formula, so I'm hoping I'll also like the liquid matte formula, and that it will be bomb underneath the mask. I just want something that's like neutral that I can wear under my mask and it won't like come off, and I won't make me look like a Joker. That's what I want. So yeah, so this one is in the shade Wifey, which on my skin tone, okay, it's more like a, oh, it has a really nice vanilla scent. Kind of reminds me of, what's your name? Anastasia one, maybe, kind of. So it's like a peachy, a pale pink peach tone. Oh god, it's really hard. Matches the color of my walls, actually. Maybe that's why I was drawn to it. But yeah, that'll look really nice with like a nice little like liner. If I didn't have on lipstick right now, I would try this with like a brown liner and this. Bomb diggity. You're probably gonna see that combination at some point, guys. Just so you know, you gonna see that. You gonna see that soon. But yeah, so yeah, how cute. I probably shouldn't have opened that because I have many open lipsticks that I'm trying to, and it's fine. It's fine. It's a mini. This is the thing. I'm gonna get more into mini lipsticks because you can go through them much faster. I have so many lipsticks I have not finished and I've had for time. And I keep getting new ones and I keep trying them, and then I'm like, oh wait, now I've tried it, I need to use it. And then the last but not least, look at these little mini things, are so cute. So it's a little Charlotte Tilbury, darlings. She calls me that, even though I live in England, like no one says darlings like she does. So this is the Made in Italy Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Microfine Powder, and it's 0.8 grams. The usual full size is 8 grams, so this is a tenth of the size, but it's so cute. And it's more, I just wanted to try it to see it more, like, not for the shade, because I know the shade was only in Fair, so I was like, but it's because everyone kind of talks about the formula, and I was like, even if it's so cute and tiny, trying to find something to compare it to. There's like a little nail polish, and it's like a little bit bigger. But it's so cute, and it's in the shade Fair. And I love the fact that it's the exact same packaging, and it's not just like some crap packaging. It's the exact same kind of luxury feel. So I just want to try the formula and see if how good it is as like a, oh, that is a she light. She is a light one. So yeah, that's my hand and that's her. So but I just want to see how it kind of, if it blurs underneath the eye as much as people say. Lord, make a just about see the under eye, boy. And my hope is that this will act more like a translucent powder, so then I can just wear this one underneath the eye. Bear in mind, I still have the honey one, but these are so tiny. I'm sure I'll get through them quite quickly. So look, it's so cute. She's so cute, and I think I prefer, y'all, these loose powders. These loose powders are, I don't know why everyone likes them so much. They're annoying. I'd rather have a pressed powder. Like, who's got time for the whole like, let me like empty it out onto a thing and then shake it about, shake it all about, do the hokey pokey, turn yourself around. But yeah, it's long. I'd rather just be like pop 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 pop, done. Why did we turn to loose powder? That someone tell me why. I don't know, but there's probably a good reason for it. But I like these. They're cool. And yeah, actually I remember sometimes they used to break, so sometimes you would break and then you'd just be left with like a loose powder setup anyway. So I suppose for that it's useful. But yeah, this is so cute. And like, even if you're my skin tone, which is like a 450 in Fenty Beauty or 445 in the hydrating one, it works as a translucent. If you don't put a lot on, it works as like a translucent under eye powder, and it really does do like a nice blur. Let me pat down my nose, see if we get a little less shinage, because I did put on a powder foundation today, but it's a very like coverage. Like when I say put on, I mean like I dusted it over my face. It's a nice powder, but I have to use it a bit more and with a better brush to really see the effects. And also I don't want it to be like flashbacky. So yeah, powdered on my nose. I've powdered my nose, darlings. I've powdered my nose. Come, darlings, give the gift. The gift of a powdered nose. But yeah, cute and tiny. I like that. Yeah, I recommend. 10 out of 10. Recommend getting one of these kind of kits if it's all stuff that you actually want to try and you're gonna get a good size from the bits. I recommend choosing like ones that are like 30 mils, like 20 mils at least, so then you can actually get like at least maybe like a month's use out of them, depending on how you use it, obviously. But you could probably stretch these to like a good little going away. When we next go, we'll be able to go away. And yeah, so they can turn into like little going away things. So then this would be awesome to take on like a trip away. And if you want to take your full toner and you want to have it in like the proper bag. Oh, it's dried down now, and now it kind of looks like the same shade of pink, except a bit darker than the pink of the bag that we got. And yeah, it's a really cute bag. It has like a little thing, nice and see-through. I might start using this for some of my makeup bits, because it's so much easier when you can just see like, okay, that's what's in there, and then go, rather than being like, where is the thing that I'm looking for? So yeah, I like it. And every time you buy a kit, you get one of these, so you're probably gonna end up with loads of these at some point in time, but it's fine. They're useful, and maybe you can like clip them together. That would be super useful. Actually, it has a clip, so maybe if you get like loads of these, you could just like clip them all together, and then you could have like a little set of them to like just take with like brushes. You could have like one with like brushes, one with like lip liners, like a proper makeup artist, darling. And then you have it all in one little clip. How cute would that be? That'd be so cute. All right, so if you see more of these, that might be what I'm doing with them. All right, anyway, you've had enough of my blabbering on. Altogether, that was about £16.90 for the delivery as well. The delivery of it was random because you see how small this is, right? It came in this box, guys. This box. You see the size of this box in comparison? Like, it was well. It survived. Everything survived. Nothing broke. But I think they need to rethink. Feelunique, rethink what's going on with your like packaging, because babes, you don't need that much. You definitely don't use, then the reuse, then the recycle. So like reduce first. So let's make stuff smaller. Okay. All right. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and catch y'all later. Bye.